Hey, what's going on, everyone? This morning we are working on an American Standard rooftop unit number YSC060. This is a 5-ton packaged gas-fired rooftop unit. Calvin is checking over the service facts, and we have a customer with no heat, and we are flashing 1, 2, 3. 3 lights on that. Calvin's got page 77 open, and 3 flashes is pressure switch fail. The pressure switch would be associated with the inducer draft motor, which is right there. So we're gonna take a look at that and see if the inducer motor is getting power, which it probably is, and the inducer motor is probably shot to shit. So Calvin's gonna take over the rest of this call. He's gonna take off some more screws to take off that access panel. By the way, this is Pipe Doctor 516-348-6300. Calvin, take it off, Calvin. Let's take a look and see what's inside there. What do we got inside there? We got a blower. Blower spinning. Got an ECM motor there, it looks like. Opposite side of the coil looks pretty clean. Okay, we'll put that back on. That's the blower compartment. Thank you, American Standard, for marking that blower compartment like some of your competitors do. Now we're gonna go for the lower compartment. Standing on this puddle of water here, by the way, this flat roof. He just dropped that plate. You'll have to put that back on. Drop the screw. He's gonna take that off. That plate's gonna fall on the floor right into the water. See, as I called it right. There's our inducer motor. And I'm not gonna stand in water, but it's hot to the touch. And it looks pretty fakaked. All rusted up there. Looks like a shit show. Someone has a little pressure switch here that just basically rotted right off. So we're gonna get our flat little screwdriver. Let's see if we can spin this bitch. Let's see if it'll spin.
You got the flat?
I got the flat.
Yeah.
There we go. Let's see if we can make anything happen here. Probably not. So that being said,
You were checking on that fan right
I
there.
just want to see if I can spin it. We know it's hot for the touch, so it's getting power. We'll turn off the power right here. And let's take off a few screws. I know this inducer motor is shot, but let's see if we can give them some heat temporarily just by spinning that. So, we'll loosen these up. Is. I don't really know if this whole thing's gonna come out this way, but I just want to see if I could spin that blade a little bit. Just a little bit. See, the windings are a little bit melted in there on this inducer draft motor. Wow, that motor is seized. It does not even want to budge one bit. So we're gonna have to replace the draft inducer motor here. Stay tuned. Say hi, Calvin.
Hi.
Calvin is gonna replace the draft inducer motor, which we got. It's in a box right here. This is our hatch, by the way. All you OSHA guys will probably not appreciate that, but that is our extendable ladder I got on Amazon, resting on the countertop in the kitchen. And here's our roof hatch. Yes, there is no safety fencing around this roof, but here is our new motor. Let me get my Milwaukee knife out of this Vito Pro Pack Tech XL tool bag, which I love. Best $300 I ever spent. I have a review here on YouTube. I know it's brand new. It's pretty sick. Anyway, Calvin's over there putzing around. See, Calvin, you putzing around?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Get the thing out of there. It's the whole thing, Kelvin. There it is. Factory OEM part from Trane. Compliments of the Wallwork Group, now known as Ferguson. Ferguson's buying up everything, as you guys probably know. Well, let's open up this box with our Milwaukee. Go Team Red. So there, this beautiful, beautiful fan motor. There it is, look at this. It's so sexy, it's so beautiful. It spins freely, look at that. That is our new draft motor. We're gonna put that in. This American standard YSC060E, 1 EHA, 1D, and a million zeros. Package rooftop unit. As you could tell by the early part of this video, we were here yesterday. It was not sunny here in Inwood, New York. It was gloomy. It was raining a little bit, but we diagnosed it. And we ordered the new part from Trane. We're gonna put it in. Oh, here comes the plane coming in. Is that a Delta? It's a Delta. I love Delta. I love being a Diamond Medallion member on Delta. I love flying Delta out of JFK, which is right over there. And if you look close enough, all the way there in the distance, right there in the center of the screen, that's the World Trade Center. Gotta love living in New York. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful like America is beautiful. Right, Kelvin?
Yeah, of course. That's why I serve National Guard.
Kelvin is in the New York National Guard. Reserves, I believe. He does his one weekend a month and 2 weeks out of the year, but unfortunately, in July, he's gone for the whole month. Kelvin did not tell us that when we hired him. He's gone for the whole month of July, the busiest time of the HVAC season in July. But Kelvin will be fighting and serving our country and the great state of New York. Kelvin's gonna take out that draft motor, which is already disconnected. It's all rusted up, looks pretty shitty.
Yeah, look at this screw.
Very shitty, very shitty.
Look at the screw.
The screw's stuck. Kelvin is fighting the screw. Fighting it. But he got it. We got the Milwaukee M18 impact driver. Everything is Team Milwaukee here. Everything. Milwaukee. Well, not everything, but close to everything. Well, Milwaukee snips. Yeah, that's about it. But we love the M12 and M18 tools. Kelvin is fighting the old rusty screws, holding that old rusty draft inducer motor assembly. Kelvin, you gonna show it who's boss? What's it stuck on, Kelvin?
Huh?
What's it stuck on?
These rusted screws over here.
You can't get it out, Kelvin? Didn't they ever tell you to lick it before you stick it? Well, a little too late for that because we're at in a secure facility. And looks like we're shit out of luck with that one. And that one too.
Yeah.
Well, that sucks. Well, let's hold the videotape. Plan B. We'll be like a locksmith and drill this bitch out.
Hey, can we hold it?
Stubborn. Inducer motor assembly is in. We're gonna button it up, clean it up, button it up, and be on our way. If you have a commercial rooftop unit, you need us to fix it, give us a call, 516-348-6300.